Welcome to this video. Today I'm going to show you how you can activate your Microsoft Office. Is it your office not activated? Microsoft Office is not activated. This is the message we are seeing on this screen. It means our Microsoft Office can't work. See, this is the message here telling us can't make change because the selection is locked. To enable this Microsoft Office Word to work, we need to use KMS Pico. Then this is the setup we are going to use. Then open this setup. Okay, open this setup. Then copy this password. Copy, and then here click this setup, then paste, then OK, then wait. Okay, here we are going to disable this. You see, Windows security. Let me see here. Then click on manage setting. You see, turn off your protection. Then after, let me check. Run setup again. Then paste the password. Click OK. You see, after to disable Windows security. Next, accept the agreement. Next. Then it is installing the files. You see, it is KMS Pico we are using. Remember, we need to activate our Microsoft Office because it is not working in order to enable to write the characters into Word. You see? Then after to install it, let me check KMS Pico. Then open it. Click yes. Remember, we are going to activate Office. Here, we need to activate Office 2016. Then install key. Click yes.
Program complete.
Yeah, okay, the program complete. Let me check. Write Word, enter. We are going to check if it is working. You see, it is working. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any problem to install or to activate your Microsoft Office Word by using KMS Pico, you may write the comment into comment section.